Hello everyone, in front of you are two types of our lip wine. Let's check the detail. The first type is making the wine with this type of leaf. And the other type making the leaf wine with this type of leaf. And the following, I will use these two types of lip wine to go with different material like the thread ball light and this bubble light. Look. LED light and the tea light to make the table decoration. And today's tutorial, I will use this type of lip wine to make the decoration. Like the inspirational picture from Pinterest, I will make the decoration like this. Okay, now let's go. First of all, we need to put on the tablecloth. I use the fabric. Okay, then the next step, we need to arrange our lip wine. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Okay, then let's put on our light string. On this tutorial, on this decoration, I will use this light string. Fairy light. Can you see the bubble on it? Okay, let's put the light string on the leaf. Okay, then let's light up the light to check the effect. Look, the charger is USB. By using this way, it can help to provide a lot of power, so can maintain the event all day long. Okay, and hide it on the table. Okay, let's check the effect. Okay, look, let's check the effect. Okay, anyway, let's put on the charger to check the full table setting. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put on the charger and cutter. If you think it's too much simple, let's add some candle with long stem holder. Okay, look, let's check the effect. What do you think? And for my opinion, the effect by using this type of lip wine, the come out will be much more pretty. On my opinion, maybe you will like this design. Okay, but if you are interested to watch the decoration by using this lip white to make the runner, you can click here for the tutorial. Okay, this is let's check our design. Let's check this design. Do you like it? It's very simple and very special to save a lot of time when you decorate an event. The come out actually very beautiful. I like it. Save a lot of time and also save a lot of money. Suddenly, I got an idea. How about we put the thread light on the leaf white? Let's check the effect. Okay, very simple. Just put the ball on the leaf. Okay, let's light it up. About the light, you can select the USB, or if you don't like the USB, you can use the battery case. Two options, but I like to use the USB because they have much more power. Okay, and hide it on the left. Let's check the effect. I also put on the tungsten candle holder and folding candle. Let's check the effect. Okay, look. This is the effect. Do you like it? This idea is very pretty and very simple to make. Save you a lot of time and also cost down if you are arrange an event. This is a very good idea. Okay, and for your information, we surprise almost all the material used on our video. If you are interested, you can inbox me via a Facebook page. You can find the link from the information field below this video. Okay, finally, let's check the detail. If you want to check an other effect by you making the runner with other type of the lip white, you can click here to watch the tutorial. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.